How to add a comments to your favorite on TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add a comment to your favorite on TikTok app, easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok and choose a video that had a comment you want to add to your favorite on your TikTok application. What you're gonna do is click on the comments, choose one of those comments. For example, let's choose this one. All you need to do to get to this list is keep clicking on the screen, and you're gonna find the option number 3, which is add to. You're gonna find add to favorite. Click on it, and this is it. You can remove this comment from your favorite by click again and click remove from favorite. And this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe and like.